Messenger wants to create PIN. How to ignore this message. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to ignore Messenger wants to create PIN for added security. You might be facing that persistent prompt in Messenger asking you to create a PIN. Messenger is constantly working to improve security, and a PIN can be an extra layer of protection for your account. So to skip Messenger wants to create PIN message for added security. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and find apps or applications depending on your device and tap on it. Tap Manage Apps. Scroll down and find Messenger in the app list and tap on it. Look for the Storage section. On some phones, it might be called Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Data at the bottom. Here you'll see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without affecting your messages or login info. Tap Clear Cache and confirm by tapping OK on the pop-up. Clear All Data or Clear Storage. This completely wipes Messenger data, including logins. Be careful, this is permanent, so make sure you want to do this before proceeding. Now go to the Google App Store to update Messenger. For me, it is already updated. Now open the Messenger application and log into your account. Skip all of this thing. When the Setup PIN message pops up, again like me, tap the tiny X in the corner. Congratulations! You've successfully ignored the PIN prompt. Now you can go forth and conquer your chats with confidence. Remember, skipping the PIN is cool, but it might reappear from time to time. Messenger just wants to make sure your chats are secure. I hope this short video tutorial helps you. If you have any questions about Messenger security or have other tech troubles you need help with, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to channel.